2475 Hollywood Boulevard. 20 parking spaces. Commercial, free standalone building right on Hollywood Boulevard. Awesome visibility. Street work will be done this year. You got street parking, private parking, and garage parking nearby. 2-story building, office zoned at the moment. Office commercial with great development rights. $2475 Hollywood Boulevard. You have 2 offices in the front with visibility to Hollywood Boulevard. You also have a private entrance for the 2nd floor, which is right here on this door. Property owners have invested a good amount in the infrastructure of the building. They did the roof, the plumbing, the electrical, the ACs, mechanical. There's some work in progress. You have all parking spaces, 20 in total. Listed for $2.5 million. It's the back of the building, very nice. They have remodeled this building with good taste. Some damage, soffit, but insurance company's taking care of it and it will be all repaired. With frontage to Hollywood Boulevard. Here's one of the main entrances. Very nice, high vaulted ceilings. There's one vacant office. They're preparing to clean the office. Here you have Hollywood Boulevard. Very nice. Industrial design. Exquisite taste. This is the front lobby. The waiting room. Here you have another suite with frontage to Hollywood. Very comfortable. Elvis Presley. Here we have a conference room, which could be shared conference room. If you're interested in leasing an office space, an executive suite, this is one of the conference rooms which you'll be able to share with TV, intercom, internet, computer for conferences. You have the kitchen, the break room with a full-size refrigerator. You have a sink. and it's also shared for those interested in an executive suite offices. Very nice, very professional, very elegant. Another office space which is being used right now, which will be available as well as a executive suite. Very comfortable, with a side window to the parking lot, to the private parking lot, fenced in, robotic fence. We have another master. Here we have another executive suite, furnished, completely ready for the right business. Great for law firms, attorneys, architects, doctor's office, realtors, brokers. You have men's bathroom. Very nicely decorated, very clean. You have ceramic. High traffic flooring. Here's the ladies' restroom. Another executive office suite with a side window as well, facing the east side of the property. Great layout in this building. Works great for shared office spaces and executive suites. For those interested in executive suites, will be everything included. Electrical, plumbing, electrical, AC. Internet, furnished. Spacious offices. That's nice. Another office space. And another office space. Here you have the storage room, which could also be converted into office spaces. And more storage room. Large storage area. Lots of space to storage any of your business items. Stairs going upstairs to the mechanical room. Exit door, back exit door to the parking garage or parking lot. Private parking spaces, all fenced in with great security. Pad, keyless pad. Let's go upstairs. Here's the main entrance for the second floor, facing Hollywood Boulevard as well. Great layout for shared office spaces for those interested in executive suites rentals. We have multiple units available between 100 and 500 square feet. Another room which can be converted into office space as well. More storage spaces which also can be converted into an office space. Master bathroom with a bathtub and your toilet in the sink. Great layout, very spacious, over 6,300 square feet of usable under air space. Another executive suite. Executive office suite. More office spaces. Great infrastructure. Another executive office suite. Very spacious, bright white. Another break room. Share amenities. Another break room. A cafeteria. More executive office suites. Building has 6,300 square feet. 16,000 square feet of land. Additional office spaces with a back door, window and exit facing the north side of the building. Great, very nice, very comfortable, very spacious. Everything is up to code with keyless entry. Great. Love the space, love the building. Has a lot of potential. More storage space. The network building, network room. We have all the servers. More storage. And another exit going downstairs to the back of the building. Very nice. This is Roland Ruiz PA. Presents 2475 Hollywood Boulevard.